Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So let us start our session. So in our previous session, we have seen select statement in Oracle. So this session we will see single row function in Oracle. For an example, I have employees table. In this employees table, we do have different functions here. So first name, so I'm taking just the first name. So I'm taking employee underscore ID, comma first name, comma upper of first name. Upper of first name means the first name I'm making as uppercase. Lower of first name, initial letter is capital, length of first name, reverse of first name from employees table. Okay. If you see here, so this is what the employee ID, employee name. So this is actual name in the table. And we are seeing that upper of first name. And we are seeing the lower of first name, initial letter is capital, then length of first name, then reverse of first name. These are all single row functions. So why we are calling it as single row, right? So each and every row it will be applied. So each and every row it will be applied. So that's what single row functions. Even you can see here, if the length is length and all, if I have any space, in between, so length will consider the space also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this space also considered for length. Remember this. So normally we will use it. Okay. So in real-time project, we will find, okay, what is the length of this particular column, whether it is more than that or less than that. So that we will take it length and everything. So reverse, just it's a function. If I want to reverse it, you can use it. And here, if I, what is the use of upper of lower of everything? Say for an example here, select star from employees, where first name equal to, so we have some names, first name equal to John. So I'm going with John. How many Johns are there? I want to find out. Okay. If I'm going to use this John, so this John, I'm getting that 3 different Johns, right? 3 different, only 3 Johns are available, but it may give you wrong result. Why? Because Oracle is case sensitive. In Oracle database, it may give you wrong result. Why? Because it may have different John also. The database may have different John also. It might have this type of John also, right? Yes, we have one John in this way. So capital letter. So as I told, Oracle is case sensitive. So we have different, so it will be considered as case sensitive. So if I want to take all the John, then we have to use these functions. Okay, we can use upper of first name. Upper of first name equal to uppercase. Just you can equate with uppercase. If I make uppercase here, so you have to equate with uppercase. If I make lowercase here, equate with lowercase. So we are making uppercase and lowercase. If it is Teradata or any other databases like SQL Server, no need to put. So because SQL Server, Teradata and all not case sensitive. Even if you are making this way, it will select all the records, but Oracle is case sensitive. It's based on the database, whether it is a case sensitive or case insensitive. So we have to check the database based on the database. So the same way addresses like this we can go for. So this is the real-time use cases. So whenever you are making upper, then use uppercase here. Whenever you are making lowercase, lower of, then use lowercase here. So that's what you have to make it. So if you are making uppercase here, then lowercase here, then it will not work. Okay, so make sure that this is the one you are making. And next one is called substring. So what is the function called substring? Substring means from the given string, if I want to take substring, I can go for the substring. So substring of a given string, then from position, then number of character. So number of character, substring, string, it will take 3 argument or 2 arguments. Okay, so 3 arguments or through 2 arguments. So why? Because this is called function overloading. So function overloading means same function name, but based on the number of arguments, it will perform. So here I'm giving 3 arguments, right? 3 arguments. Based on the 3 arguments, some of the function will be, some code will be called. Based on the 2 arguments, some code will be called in the backend. Okay, if I'm going for substring of given string, I'm giving like welcome to India. I'm taking 12th character, 5 characters. From 12th character, 5 character. From position and number of characters. See here. So dual I'm using from 12th character. So which is the 12th character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12 is I. From 12th character, 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 characters. That's what you have to consider. So it will select India. Then here it will select. So from 12th character, it will take right hand side all this. If you don't give one more argument, it will take right hand side all this. Okay, what are the right hand side here we are giving? So it will take all this. So it will take India 3 exclamatory symbol also. So -8. Minus means from the reverse side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So India exclamatory. And then India. So India alone it will take -8. -8 means here. So -8 to 5 characters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So India it will return. So here substring of job ID, comma 1, comma 4. That means first 4 characters. First 4 characters of job ID I'm taking. So this is what I can take here. You can go with substring. So now you will have another function. So instring. So what is that instring function will do? Instring will return position of the character. Position of the character. So if I see here, so what is this instring will do? Instring will take 2 arguments, 3 arguments, 4 arguments. So instring can take 3 arguments, 2 arguments, 3 arguments, or 4 arguments. See here, where is the R? Where is R here? R is available here, third position. So then here we have R, here also we have R. But so if you don't mention any position, it will return first occurrence. First occurrence. Okay, in string of this one. Then here in string of the corporate floor AB. So whether we have any AB here, no, it will return 0. If it is not matched, then you will get 0 here. Even you can go with so R second occurrence. So second occurrence means you can go this way also. This way R comma from second character or from fifth character. That means from fifth character. 5 means from fifth character, not fifth occurrence. Fifth occurrence means you have to give one more argument. From fifth character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from fifth character, first occurrence. What is the first occurrence? Sixth character, right? This is the occurrence. So it is returning 6. So these are all very, very important. You have to understand what is that instring function will do. Then you can go with a lot of nested function also. I will tell you where it will be used. So this is the meaning. From third character, second occurrence. From third character, second occurrence is 14th place, this place. Third character, first occurrence. The 6th place, 5th place, right? Okay. OR. So while starting this O, it will be printed. Then say for an example, I have some given string. I want to take this given string. From the given string, I have to take the values. What is the given string? So this is the given string. From the given string, I have to take up to comma, I have to take that particular string. First of all, I have to find right where the comma is present, right? So if I want to go for where the comma is present, first of all, I have to find this comma. How can I find where is the comma or where is the space? First space, second space, third space, anything I can find, right? So yes, I want to find the comma here. How can I find the comma? So this is the one to find the comma. So find at symbol, comma symbol, all this you can find. Select in string of this one from dual. So it will give you the where is the comma present. So comma, this is the given string. So this one is comma, then comma, where is the comma present? 27th place, the comma is present. If the 27th place comma is present, I have to take 26th place from first to 26th place, right? So I have to take from first character, substring of given string, first character to 27th character, -1. Why we are making -1? 27 minus 1, 26. So that's why we are making -1. See here, it is taking up to here. So this comma, I'm making next character. So here I'm making next. Here I'm making comma, something. So will it find? Yes, both the strings should be same, right? It has taken correctly. From the email ID, I have to take only username. How can I take? So from first character to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 character I have to take. But 6 I should not make it like a hard-coded value. I have to find where is that symbol. It's a 7th place, right? 7 minus 1. That's why we are making in string of this one. It will find 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Substring of given string 1 comma 6. That is the meaning. Even instead of this email, some other email is coming. It will take correctly. Okay. So this is what we have to use. If you do not know the string column, this is hard-coded value. To explain you, I have given hard-coded value. But we will have a column name, right? In real-time project, we will have the column name. See here, you will be having a column name. So what is that column name? In our project, we will have the column name. Select star from employees. In the employees table, I can use it. See, I have to take first 3 characters, first 6 characters of phone number, or from the 6th character, I have to take something like that. I have to take, right? How can I take? It's very simple. Select phone number. Actual phone number I'm selecting, comma, substring of substr, substring of phone number. This is the column name, phone number, comma. So what is the character? 5th character, right? Dot 5th character. 5th character, I have to go with some 10 characters or 8 characters or something from employees table. So not dual. Dual is hard-coded value. So it is taking all other remaining columns. So this is what you can go for. Or if you don't mention this 10, it will take rest of the columns. So if I have anything else here, it will take, right? See here. So this is what you can go with column name also. So column name, instead of here, you have to give column name. So what is the meaning of this one? In string of corporate floor garden. Okay, something we have. And I'm finding where is the first occurrence of space. Where is this first occurrence of space? This space I'm finding. Might be I'm taking, I thought of taking 10, right? 10. So 10, I want to take, so here first occurrence, corporate floor. So I'm taking this way. Garden I'm taking. From 17th character I'm taking. But this is first occurrence. This is from first to second occurrence. Second occurrence I'm taking. Second occurrence is 16. This one, right? 16. So to find this one, we can take this one or this one. Anything is fine. So which one it will return? Garden it is returning. That means first we found this character, right? This character we found. This character we found. Space, we are finding the space from first occurrence to, from first character to second occurrence. Second occurrence, first character to second occurrence is this one. After that we have to add 1 plus 1, right? Plus 1. Substring of this one plus 1. That's the meaning. Okay. So you can go and check it. It's very simple only. So something I'm making this way. What is this will do? This is nested function, right? Substring of given string. This is given string. I'm finding space third occurrence. That means 1, 2, 3. I'm taking third occurrence. That means I'm taking this string from here. Third occurrence. We can take this also. First we have to find out second occurrence. Second occurrence plus 1. Instead of 1 here. Okay, instead of 1 here, we have to take this occurrence plus 1, then this occurrence minus 1. So that's the way. This occurrence minus 1 we have to take. Then in between we can take. So make sure that this is the function we will use in real time. Substring and instring. We will use this particular function very often in our real-time project. The next one is LPAD. LPAD means left side padding. Like I need to have 15 characters. If it is not 15 characters, I'm adding star on the left hand side. Okay, it should be 15 characters. If it is not 15 characters, adding star on the right hand side. So you can see this one, it should be right hand side. Sorry, it is on the left hand side, right hand side, and nested function, both the side we have. And here we have something like our salary column. So what is the salary? Salary column I'm taking LPAD of salary comma 15 digits. Something, if you're going for any account number and all in real-time project, account number should be 12 digit. If it is not 12 digit, add 0 on the left hand side. They will say, right? The account number should be 12 digit. If it is not 12 digit, you add left hand side. Even we will do like this, right? Select some currency. I'm taking some currency. For that, I'm taking RPAD. So I'm printing like 1 lakh. 1 lakh I'm printing. Okay. So currency value I'm making like 1 lakh in the DD demand draft. It should be 100 characters. If it is not 100 characters, add star on the right hand side. That means, so whatever we have rest of the characters, it will be made this way. So even if I'm going with 1 lakh 55,000, 55,000, then it will have 100 characters only, maximum 100 characters only. Remaining characters it will replace with star. Okay, so this is what it will make. So something like in banking and all, remaining characters we will place this way, right? So you can use this type of functionality in real-time project. Okay, so RPAD. Then sometimes you will get data with the space on the left hand side or right hand side. It may not be matched. Okay, for that you can use L-trim or R-trim. If any data comes with the space on the left hand side or right hand side, you can go with, to remove the space on the left hand side or right hand side, then you have to use this way, L-trim or R-trim. So you have, if you do not know what is the value of that particular function here, you have to approximately put that value. So what is the printing length? So that you have to use. So they will say in our real-time project, you can ask with your the customer, client, user, or the who is giving your requirement, right? To them we can ask. First of all, we have to understand these functions very clearly. Then real-time usages, whenever you are getting it, so you may not know, right? They will not say like use this function, L-trim function, use right-trim function. They will not say. They will give the requirement. In the testing team, if they are raising defect, then you have to fix it. Sometimes what will happen, left hand side you will get some data with the space. Okay, some account number, you'll be getting some space. Account name, you are getting some space. But while loading, you have to remove the space. Why? Because it may not be matched with our conditions, right? So that's why we will use L-trim or R-trim. So L-trim means left hand side, if any space, it will remove it. R-trim means right hand side, if any space, it will remove. Trim means both the side it will remove, but it will not remove in between space. In between space, it will not remove. L-trim of 0, I wanted to remove. So all the zeros will be removed from the left side. But this is not the 0. This is the actual value actually, right? Actual value content 0, it will not remove. So this one, this is one single character, but this one we are making 3 characters. This is not like 021 as it is. The meaning is either it is a 0, R2, R1. That's the meaning. Okay, so you can go with left hand side, either it is 0, R1, R2. This is what it will remove. And R-trim. R-trim means right hand side 0 to 1. It will remove. So you can go with R-trim also. This is nested function. Both the side it will remove. Okay. But here we do not have any trim function to remove this. That's why we are using nested function. Both the side it will remove the functionality. Okay. These are all like left trim, R trim. The next one is replace. Next function is called replace. Next function is called replace. What is the replace function will do? Replace means replace of this one. I'm going with replace of this one. I want to replace J with BL. Wherever J comes, you replace J with BL. So it will become black and blue. What is the meaning of the second one? Job is the column name in the employees table. If it has column value as manager, change it to boss. Okay. change it to boss. If this one, we are going to make it like in Oracle. If it is coming like manager, it will convert. If any job is coming like this way, will it convert? No, it will not convert. These two will not be converted. So why? Because Oracle is case sensitive. So if I want to make sure that, so all the managers should be converted as boss here. So I have to go with upper of. So function you have to use. Convert this job into uppercase, then equate with uppercase. If it is matching, then it will convert as boss. So that's the meaning of upper of, lower of, all the functions we will use in our real-time project. Okay, so remember this. And this one, we have trim function. Trim function will remove the space on the left-hand side, right-hand side, right? Whether it will remove the space on the in between, middle, whether it will remove? No, it will not remove, but I want to remove it. So how can I go with? I want to remove in between space also. I can go with replace here. Can go with replace. So replace of. So use replace of this given string, comma, which one I have to replace? Space. So space replace with null. Null means two single quotes, right? Or you can use null. That's also fine. It will be replaced, right? See here. See, this is what the function usage you have to use it. Nested functions. You can use trim function, replace function, all other functions. We can use L trim, R trim, anything is we can use it, no issues. So it's based on the scenario, you can use it, all the trim functions, nested function, anything. Then look at here, I will tell you here in our employees table, select star from employees. In our employees table, I have the phone number. Here I have the phone number. So this phone number, how should I convert this phone number? I have to convert like first 5 characters. Okay, +1 hyphen first 5 characters. What is the first 5 characters? 515 12. Then hyphen 12 3 4 5 6 7. Like this, I have to convert. Can we think the logic? This one should be converted. This one for all the records. For all the records, I have to do it. So how can I do? So I have to go with this substring function, right? First of all, I will remove the dot. Select phone number. I will take phone number first, actual phone number, comma, replace of phone underscore number, comma, which one to be replaced? Dot should be replaced with null. Okay, so I can go with null. So it will be replaced, correct? From employees. Okay, so we have replaced. Then you can make +1 hyphen. +1 hyphen is the hard-coded value, right? For all the records. So you can use single quotes +1 hyphen, then single quotes concatenation. See here. So this is the way we made it, right? Single quotes +1 hyphen for hard-coded value. But I have to take first 5 characters. How can I take first 5 characters from here? Which function I have to use? I can go with this substring, substr, substring of this one, comma 1, comma 5. Am I correct? 1, comma 5. So it will take first 5 characters. Then I have to make hyphen. So I can put concatenation. Yesterday we have seen, in our last session we have seen concatenation, single quotes, hyphen, single quotes, concatenation. Then again, substr, substring of this replace, comma 6, comma 5 characters, right? From 6th position, 5 characters. See here, this is what we are getting it, right? But even if you have more than 5 here, more than that, so we have one more 5 characters. The same way we have to go for one more 5. So that's all. So we have to use concatenation, single quotes, hyphen, single quotes, concatenation. Same one we have to use, but instead of 6, comma 5, what is the character we have to use? Any idea? Instead of 6, comma 5, we have to use 11, comma 5. See here. Okay, I'm getting hyphen here. Okay, this hyphen should not be used for this one, right? See, this one is correct. It's correctly making new phone number. I can alias it like new phone number. Why? Because whatever I'm writing here, it's coming. So new underscore phone underscore number format, new phone number. This is alias name, right? But here it is having hyphen here. This is wrong actually, right? How can I remove this hyphen for this one? So I can go with some length. I can find what is the length of phone number here. What is the length of phone number? This length I have to find out, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have phone number format is 12 or more than 12, right? If length equal to 12, we have to use one format. More than 12, we have to use different format. How can I use it? How can I use it? This one, I can go with case statement, right? Case statement. See here, I can go with case statement. Same one. This is what you have to build a logic. Okay. Case when length of length length of phone number, this column phone underscore number equal to length of phone number equal to 12, then this is the one, then this one, right? So up to here only you have to make this one, only up to here only you have to make, then this one, else part, this one. Okay, whenever we are making case statement, you have to use end here, end, right? End here. So look at now case statement. I will explain later. Case when length of phone number equal to 12, then this logic, right? This logic, else means more than 12, plus one hyphen this one, you are getting, right? So this is the way also you can make it. So this is what we will build the logic. If you go and check first, initially somebody has created this logic like this, what you have to do, always check inner function. What is this replace will do? Okay, what is this replace will do? What is the substring will do? Then what they are doing it. So that's what you have to do. So each and everything you have to go with one by one, you have to understand. Then after that you will come to know. So after some same kind of scenario, if you are going to see multiple ways, you can able to build a logic. So this is the one you can able to make the logic. So I will give this one also to you, so you can build the logic. Case statement, I will tell you what is a case statement. If then else, you have to go with the case statement only. Translate means it will translate the position wise character, it will translate. So if I'm going to give ABCD and the XYZ, if it is replaced, whenever I'm getting ABCD, it will be replaced with XYZ. But translate means position wise it will translate. A comes, it will replace with the X. B comes, it will replace with Y. C comes, it will replace with Z. D comes, it will replace with null. Why? Because I'm not giving anything. That's what I have explained here. If you are going to give like this, welcome to Chennai, anything. So what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Welcome to Chennai. A comes, replace with the W. B replace with the X. C, third character, it will replace with C. This one. Something like encoding, decoding logic you can go with, right? So encoding, decoding logic and all, you can see welcome to Chennai, it is replaced with this way. So something like encoding, decoding, you can convert like this, and reverse operation if you put, it will be converted as welcome to Chennai. So that we have to find the way. Then that particular string we have to give. This is what we will use in our real-time project and all. Okay, translate, position wise it will translate it. So remember this, replace and translate. Then in Oracle, to deals with null value, okay, to deals with null value, we have four functions. NVL, NVL2, nullIf, and Coalesce function. So what is these four functions, right? See, if you do any arithmetic operations on null values, you will get null value only. Any arithmetic operations on null value, you will get null value. So known value plus unknown value, what is the value you will get? Unknown value, right? So that's what. So value into null, you will get null. Value plus null, null. Value minus null, null. So that's what. What is that NVL function will do? NVL function will take two arguments. That means argument 1, argument 2. What is the meaning of this one? Always it will take two arguments only. If argument 1 is null, if this value is null, it will return argument 2. Okay, it will return argument 2. If it is not null value, it has some value, it will return, this function will return first value itself. Select NVL of 5, 6, it will return 5. Null, 6, it will return 6. Okay, where it will be used in real-time project. The usage is very important. Okay, so select employee ID. I'm just selecting employee underscore ID. See the usage. Salary I'm selecting commission percentage. Okay, commission underscore percentage from employees. So each and every employee's salary and commission percentage I'm displaying. I want to find out total salary. Total salary means if this particular employee is getting 24,000 and he is not getting any commission, then the total salary is 24,000 only. If somebody is getting, some employees are getting commission, say for an example, this person is getting 10% commission, then 610 should be added in the existing salary. So 40,000 he is getting, some 40%, some 40,000 plus 16,000, 56,000 as the total salary we have to return, right? So how can I do the logic for this one? What is the logic? What is the calculation first of all? So salary plus salary into commission percentage, right? Salary into commission percentage. Remember, this commission percentage is null value. It has some null value. So if you are writing like this logic, so your testing team always test it. Okay, if I have some null values here, what will happen? They will think in that way. While you are creating a logic, there is no null value, but you have to think in future. In future, if I'm going to get null value, what will happen? So what will happen if I have null values? You are getting null value only. Why? So null into, so this one, null into any values, you will get null values. Null plus any value, null value. That's why we are getting. So those who are getting commission, yes, it is calculating correctly. But those who are not getting commission, it is not calculating. So this is a defect actually, right? For them, salary will not be credited or salary will not be calculated. We have to find it, right? So to avoid this, we have to use NVL function, NVL of commission percentage, 0. What is the meaning? If commission percentage is null, return 0. If not null, return commission percentage itself. If you are doing like this, 0 into salary, 0. 0 plus salary, right? So that's why you will get it. See here, it is calculating correctly, right? This is the total salary, alias name like total underscore salary. So you have to practice it more and more. You have to practice. Is it calculating correctly? Yeah, this is what you have to use, NVL function. Then we have the next function is called NVL2. NVL2 will take 3 arguments. Whenever this is something like if then else logic. Okay, if else logic. So NVL2 of argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. If this argument is null, it will take argument 3, last value. If it is null, it will take last value. If it is not null, it will take argument 2. See, it will not return argument 1 at all. Okay, it will not return argument 1. Either it will return argument 2 or argument 3. If it has value, then it will return argument 2. If it doesn't have any value, then it will return argument 3. NVL2 of 4, 8, 12. So what is the value it will be returned? It has value, right? It will return 8 here. That's what the result. NVL2 of 8, 12. So it will return, if it is null, it will return 12. That's the result. Okay. Where it will be used in real-time project. See here, something like if then else logic. So in employee table, so this table we do not have as of now. Just I'm saying employee ID, we have employee name and allocation ID. For each and every employee, we are making allocation ID, project allocation ID. If the employee has project allocation ID, that means he is allocated to one particular project. Okay. If he doesn't have any allocation ID, that means now waiting for the project. I have to find out how many of them are waiting for the project or how many of them allocated. What is the status? Allocation status I have to find out. One more column I have to make, whether he is allocated or not allocated, that I have to find out. So you can use this way. Okay, allocation status. If it has value, then it will be allocated. If it doesn't have value, it will return like waiting for project. So if else logic you can go with. Then we have the null if. Null if means to find, to compare two column values, we'll go with null if. Argument 1, comma, argument 2. If both the arguments are equal, argument 1 equal to argument 2, it will return null. If both are not equal, then it will return argument 1 itself. Okay, argument 1 itself it will return. See here, null if of 5, 8. If both are not equal, we are getting 5 here. If both are equal, we are getting null here. So this is what we will get it. So we can use it. See this way. What is the use of this one? 5, 8. Both are not equal. It will return 5. See here 5. 8, 8. Both are equal. Then it will give. So what is this function? What is this particular statement will do? It will select the employees list. Okay, employees list whose first name equal to last name, right? Whose first name equal to last name. They have wrongly entered first name with last name. So wrongly entered, I have to identify that, those employees. So where first name equal to last name, I can go in another way also. If I want to confuse you, I can give like this. If both are equal, first name equal to last name, null if, what it will return? It will return null. So in the where class, if it is written null, we are equating with null. So this also will return the same. I can use this way or this way, both are equal only. So something I can use it. See, where null if will be used in Oracle, if I want to compare two column values, I can go for null if. Then Coalesce function. This function is a real-time project. So definitely this function will be used. Coalesce function is nothing but you can go for n number of arguments in this function to deals with null value. It will return first not null value. Okay, it will return first not null value. Remember this. Coalesce function will return first not null value. Even you can take our employees table. If you are taking this one examples, you can see here, I'm taking commission percentage, manager ID and department ID. What is the first not null value of these three columns? 90. What is the first not null value? 100 here. Okay. So here, what is the first not null value? 0.4. So Coalesce function will return first not null value. If it has value, it will return here. If it is not having any value, it will go for next one. If both are not having value, it will return this one. If three of them are not having any value, it will go and return default value as 0. Okay. See here, it is returning 90. It is returning 100 here. So it is returning 0.4. First not null value it will return. So this one can be used in instead of NVL function. So we have seen one more example, salary into NVL of commission percentage. You can go with Coalesce function also. Coalesce of this one. It will, if it is null, it will return 0. If it is not null, it will return this value itself. Same result you will get it. NVL function, right? So what is this? So I'm collecting phone number. I'm collecting mobile number from customer. From customer, some data I'm collecting. Mobile number, office number, residential number. All the numbers I'm collecting. 3 different columns are there. Like mobile number, office number, residential number. Some employees are giving mobile number. So you take mobile number. If they are giving mobile number, take the mobile number. If they are not giving mobile number, you check for office number, whether we have office number. If both are null, then check for residential number. If everything null, that means they haven't given any mobile number, any number. You can make it like no phone number, no contact number from this table. Some tables you can use it. Okay. This is the real-time use case of Coalesce function. So these are all real-time use cases. Then we have the round function. What is the round function will do? Round means if it is more than, if it is equal to 0.5 or more than 0.5, it will return the next value, right? It will take, I'm going here. So 0, I'm taking here. This is 1 here. So if it is 0 to 0.49, right, it will return 0. 0.5 to 0.99, it will return 1. Okay, so this is what it will return, right? So first half value, second half value. The round function always check the first half value and second half value. So this is the one. You can see round of 0.7. So what is the value? It will return 1. Next value 2.8, it will return 3 here. 4.35, it will return 4 only. Why? Because it's a 4.35, right? It will return 4. 5435.78, that means half, more than half. So you will get 5436. This one 0.3 only, 5435 only. So up to now we have seen only one argument, right? Round function, we have seen only one argument. If it has any decimal value, we can go with some 2 arguments also. I want 2 decimal point. 2 means right hand side, decimal point 2 right hand side, -2 means decimal point this way. See here 0.78, 2 decimal point. Consider 2 decimal point. While taking 2 decimal point, you have to consider third one. What is the third one? Third one is 7. It is more than 5. Then it will give 1 carry forward. You will get 0.79. Why 0.79? So the third character is 7. So here what is the value? So I want to have 2 arguments, right? 2 arguments. But while taking 2, you have to consider the third one. So third one is 7. It will give 1 carry forward, 0. It will give 1 carry forward, 0. It will give 1 carry forward here. Then 3, 6 you will get it. Since it is 9, 9, it will give carry forward to the previous one, 3, 6. Then 3 here. So the fourth character is 2 here. Then it will not give any carry forward. So here, what is the value? So 4. So 4 means we have to consider the fifth one. Fifth one also 5. So 7, 8, 3, 3. Like this. See, even you can go for -2 also. -2. So -2 means what is the value? Plus means it will take this way. Minus means it will take this way. 1, 2. Okay. If it is -2 means it will take 0 here. It will round off 0, 0. Okay. But while taking 0 here, if it is more than 5, it will give 1 carry forward this one. But it is not 0. So 5400. Okay. See here 5400. 2 zeros it will add. Okay. -2. But here I'm taking 7 here. 0 here. 0 here. But while making 0, it will give 1 carry forward. Why? Because it's more than 5, right? It will give 1 carry forward. 5500. That's a result you will get it. Okay. Remember this -2, -3, all this. What is the minus will do? This is the way minus will do. Minus means it will make 0 on the left hand side. Okay. So that is also you can consider -2. Trunc function. Trunc function. Truncate, you know already. Truncate table name, you know. Truncate means it will erase all the record from the table. Trunc means it will return base value. It will return base value. What is the base value of 0.78? It will return 0. So what is the base value of this one? 5435. No need to go for any round of 5435. 5435.78. 783. Right? 783. 7832. So this is the way it will return. Okay. Trunc function. Truncate is different. Trunc function is different. Remember this. Then if I have any timestamp column, if I want to remove the timestamp, sometimes from the user we are getting timestamp, but our requirement is to take only date column. Date from the timestamp. How can I use? You have to use trunc function to remove the timestamp. So previous session also we have seen, right? The same one. Trunc function you can use it. Then ceiling and floor. Ceiling means always it will take the top value. Floor means take the base value. So how we have the ceiling, floor and in our home, right? Ceiling means top, floor means the bottom, right? The lowest value. Floor of this one. This is almost equal to 6. But since I have used floor, it will take the base value 5. It will take the base value 5. Ceiling value, that means 6. Ceiling value 6. It is almost equal to 5 only, but since here we have 1, 0, even if you are making 0, 0, 0, 0, if any one value comes, then it will take 6 only. Okay. So this is what the ceiling and floor. Then what is the difference between floor and trunk? Floor and trunk. Trunk also will take base value. Floor also will take base value. Then what is the difference? In ceiling and floor, you can give only one argument. Okay. But in trunk function and all, we can use 2 argument. Decimal point also you can take. And also trunk function will be used in timestamp column, but ceiling and floor will not be used in timestamp column. That's a difference. Mod function. So remember, mod function also we will use in our real-time project. Mod function, it will return remainder of the division operation. Remainder. Mod of 55 divided by 4. I'm dividing 55 divided by 4. The remainder is 3. It will return 3 as a remainder. What is the 55 divided by 3? So remainder is 1. It is returning 1. Where it will be used? Select star from employees. Where modulus of this one. Modulus of toChar function. Modulus of from the higher date I want to take year part. I will use toChar function. I am taking the year part dividing by 4. Say for an example 2022 divide by 4. If it is equal to 0, then it's a leap year. Not equal to 0, that is non-leap year. Equal to 0, leap year. Those who have been hired on leap year, right? Not equal to 0, non-leap year. Not equal, how can I make in Oracle? Not equal. It is exclamatory equal symbol. That's a not equal. Okay. Not equal means exclamatory equal, or you can go with this way also. Both are not equal only. Not equal symbol. This is not equal. Not equal in most of the SQL statements. And instead of this one, I can go with, instead of this one, can I go with extract function? Shall I go with extract? Yes, right? What is extract? Modulus of, instead of toChar, you can go with extract. Yesterday we have seen extract year. Okay, year from higher date. Year from higher date. No need to put this format here. Extract year from higher date. It will take year. Modulus of year, comma 4 equal to 0. Same one it will return. Okay. Leap year. I want to take even number of employee ID. Even number of employee ID. Odd number of employee ID. See here, even number, right? Odd number of employee ID. In another way, they will say like take alternate record from the employees table. So that also they will not say it's a even number, odd number. They will take this way, odd number, even number. If I do not have primary key column, can I use row number? Row number of 2. So can I use this way? See here, row number, if you use only one record we are getting, not all the records. Then we are going with month between. So a lot of functions are available for date functions. We will see one by one. So here I have month between. Month between means, so these are all the date functions. These date functions are very much used in our banking, retail, insurance, and healthcare domains. We will use a lot of calculation for these functions in our SQL statement as well as in our Informatica expression transformation. Please practice it and please watch carefully. Okay, month between. Months between, this is the function. We have to give date 1, comma date 2. If I want to find out how many months are there between 2 dates, I can go for month between. So just you have to understand what this function will do. If they are going to use, or if you are getting any requirement in this way, you can able to understand. Month between, this is 1 month. I'm giving 2 date. This is a format. Okay, 2 date of this one 2020, 2 date of this one 2010. So it's a 10 years, right? How many months between these two? 120 months, right? 10 years. So you'll get 120 months. From sys date. From sys date, you'll get how many months. From today's date to 2K, how many months are there? This one. You want to round off, then you can go for round off also. Round off. So you can use round off here. Round off. See here, it will give 271. So like this, you can use function. So based on the requirement, you will use function. If I want to find out how many days between two dates, how many days? Date 1 minus date 2. That's all. This is month between. This is days between. Okay, this is days between. How many days between these two dates? Okay, so I'm taking select sys date. Sys date from dual. Dual is a dummy table. It will take the system date. Can I take +1 here? Yes, it will take. You can take +1. It will give you tomorrow's date. +10. Yes, you can go for +10. It will give you 10 days after. Can I give -10? 10 days before. So you can go with date minus any numeric column. It's valid only. Okay. Date minus date also valid. Month between also valid. So this is the way you can use it. Month between, days between. Days between, we do not have any function. You simply make it. Okay. Next day means next weekday of the given date. Next weekday of the given date. When is our next Thursday or next Friday? From this particular date, when is the next Friday? I want to find out. I can go for from this date. Next Friday is 3rd April 2020. When is our next Thursday? Next Thursday, 28th July. I want to find out when is our next Friday. Next Friday. Friday is tomorrow, right? So it will give you next Friday is tomorrow's date. Last day. This functions definitely we will use in many ways. Last day of system data. That means last day of given month. Remember, last day of given month. Whatever this particular date we are giving. So this particular date it will take. Last day of system date. What is the last date of system date? 31st July, right? I'm adding 25 days from system date. I'm adding 25 days from system date. What is the date you will get it? Select sys date plus 25 from dual. So I'm getting 15th August. For this 15th August, I'm taking last day. So what is the date you will get? So 31st August 2022. Okay, this is the last day of that particular month. When this condition will be equal, system date equal to last day of system date. When this function, when the condition will be equal, only at last day of the month. Last day of the month, this will be equal, right? So whenever I want to run Informatica jobs or anything on the last day of the month, okay, even if it is February or March or leap year or non-leap year or anything, always I have to run a job in the last day of the month, some month end balance or anything. You can don't use that hard-coded value, use this value. Okay, this kind of logic always it will run last day of the month. But finding that last business day, okay, how we are getting the salary, right? Business day, that has more logic. We have to find out whether it is a Friday or Saturday, Sunday, last day. If it is Saturday, we have to take before 1 day. If it is Sunday, before 2 days. If Friday falls on any public holiday, then we have to take Thursday itself. That we will have some logic, right? So that we will write some procedures. So this is what we'll use. And add month. Add month function. How many months we have to add? How many months? I want to add from this date. I want to add 3 months. August, right? August, September, October, November. So November 1st. November 1st. Okay. Add month. So I'm applying for a loan for 5 years loan. Okay, 5 years loan. And today I'm getting the loan. When is the closure date? I have to find out. The loan closure date will be after 5 years. Okay, 21st July 2027. This is what we will calculate. Add month. Add month means these many months will be added. So you can give like this also. 5 into 12. This 5 is nothing but how many years you are taking. So that also you can pass it like a parameter. So this is also fine. Add month. The next one is, this is the round off and truncate function of the date column. The date column is very, very important. Round and truncate of date column. So first I'm going to year truncate, rounding off on the year. So that means I will take year 2022 as year. Any year you can take 2022. I'm going to divide this 2022 into half. Year means half, right? The round off. So from January, okay, from January to June, it will be first half. July to December, it will be second half, right? First half, second half. For the round off function, I'm splitting. If any dates, if given date falls on first half of the first 6 months of the year, it will return this date. That means 1st January 2022, it will return. Okay. If any date falls on second half of, that means July 1st to December 31st, it will return first day of next year, 1/1/2023. Okay, remember this, 2023. Like this, it will return. See here, I have given explanation here. You can go through this. If I'm going to make this one, if I'm going to make this functions round off 22nd August 2021. So where the August will be 22nd August, July, August. That means it is falls under second half of the year. I'm making that year a rounding off, right? Year, round off on year. 20. What is the answer for this? The year is 2021. Second half. Then it will give you first day of next year, 2022. This one. What is the answer for this one? 22nd April 2021. April means, so here first half, right? First half. Then it will return first day of the given year, 1st January 2021. So what is the answer for this one? This one you can tell now. July 21st. 1st Jan 2023. Correct. 1st Jan 2023. This is what round function. Round off on the year. Round off on the quarter. So I'm going to use Q here. Instead of year, I'm going to use Q. Q means 3 months, right? Jan, Feb, and March. This is one particular Q. Then April, May, June. This is second half, second Q. Then July, August, September, then October, November, December, like this. 4Q. This is Q1, like Q2, like this. You can go for Q4, Q2, Q3. India standard, it will be different. Okay, Q4. This will be Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 financial year. Then if you look at here, Q1 means if any date falls on 1st January to 15th February or 14th February, it will take first day of the quarter. If it is falls on second half of the quarter up to 31st March, it will give you first day of next quarter. Remember this, 1/4/2022. Okay, 1/4/2022, not 31st March. First day of next quarter. First day of the quarter or first day of the next quarter. Remember this. It's very simple only. If you understand, very simple. Then I can go with here. Round off on Q on month. See here, round off on Q, quarter and month. Round off Q, I'm rounding off. What is the date I'm giving? 22nd August. 22nd August. That means July, August, September. 22nd August means second half of the one. First of October. 1st October it will give you. So 1st October 2016. 1st October 2016. What is the result for this one? 13th April. 13th April. Can anyone tell? 13th April. What is the answer? 13th April 2020. It will give you 1st April 2020. This is what? What is this one? 2nd November. 2nd November. Rounding off on Q. November. October, November, December. November means 2nd November. 2nd November falls on 1st of, right? So it will give you October 1st. This is Q, not month. Okay, October 1st. First day of the quarter. So remember this, not December 1, first day of the quarter. Next one, first day of the month. First day or month I'm going to round off. 22nd August. 22nd means 15 days you take. If it is 31st days, you can take. So what is the answer for this one? Month I'm rounding off. So first half of the month, second half of the month. August means September. So 22nd, second half, right? 1st September. This one, 13th April, month I'm rounding off. 13th means 1st April, right? This one, 1st November. So this is the way you can make it. And we do have a day, weekday. So what is weekday? So weekday means day we will give here, day. Either it will be year, quarter, month, day. Day means it will take weekdays. How many days weekdays? 7 days. 3.5 days, 3.5 days it will take. Okay, so 3.5 days from the Sunday to 3.5 days. Wednesday to Saturday, this 3.5 days. If any date falls on first half, it will return this Sunday date. If any date falls on second half, it will return this Sunday date. This Sunday date, okay? Remember, either it will return this Sunday date or this Sunday date. So you can use some our sysdate function to identify. So today is our Thursday, right? Thursday. So this day you will check what is the day, but system date I'm taking Thursday. If I'm going to Thursday round off, which date it will return? Last Sunday date or coming Sunday date? Just calculate. Thursday. So coming Sunday. So it will take coming Sunday here. So what is the coming Sunday? Yeah, 24th July. So this is what, okay. So you can identify, see these functions are very much used in our how to find second Saturday of the month, third Saturday of the month, right? Second business day, third business day, something like that. If I want to find out, this is what they will do, all the logic. But you have to understand what is the sound function, day, trunc function. Trunc means always it will take the base value. Always it will take the base value, but that means trunc of anything. Okay, so trunc of year, first day of the year, right? First day of the year. So always take it will take first day of the year, first day of the quarter, this particular quarter, April 1st, first day of this particular quarter, all this. Okay, first day of the month, So last Sunday, okay, this is what it will take. Sys date plus 3 days it will add. So we have seen already. So these are all trunc function. If they are asking in interview, how can I find first day of the quarter, first day of the month? You can go for trunc function. How can I find last day of the quarter? Is that any function? Directly, no. See here, what is this function will do? You tell me what is the function will do. What is the second function will do? Trunc of sysdate comma month. First day of given month, right? Trunc means first day of the given month. 1st July 2022. What is this function will do? First select statement. To care of, I'm extracting from sysdate, I'm extracting YYYMM. So what is the YYYMM from the sysdate? YYY is 2022. MM is 07. And with this result, I'm adding 01, right? Concatenating 01. Then this one I'm converting into date column. With this format I'm equating. Then this is nothing but 1st July 2022, right? I'm making here the format. So it will give you first day of the month. First day of the month, given month. What is this one? What is this one? So if I'm giving some nested function, what you have to do, always you have to check the inner function. Inner function first. Last day of system date. What is the last day of system date? What this one will do? What is the last day of system date? It will return 31st July. For this result, this is 31st July, right? For this result, I'm truncating on the month. What is the result? First day of the month, correct? 1st July. Okay, this one, you tell me this one. Inside inner function, first you check it. Okay, if I have any nested function like this, how to interpret this one? You have to go with, first of all, you have to go with inner function. Add month date -1. Is it correct to do it? Yes, it is correct. -1 means from today's date, it will go for 1 month before. That means 21st June, right? 21st June 2022. For this date, I'm taking last day. So I'm taking last day of this date. What is this last day? Last day of June, 30th June. 30th June I'm taking, and I'm taking +1. Always it will take first day of the given month. So all the 4 functions will give you the same result. See, one developer will use like this, one developer will use like this, one developer will use like this. Whatever the way we are using, the logic is same. Okay, up to here 30th June plus adding 1 date, right? So that's what you can do it. See, these are all very interesting. Just go and practice it. It'll be very interesting. If you know this concept, even they are giving very complex scenario, you can able to interpret. Okay, so what is this will do? You tell me. First one, what is the answer for first one? Trunk of system date Q. First day of the given quarter, right? June, July, August, September is a quarter. So July 1st. Then what is this function will do? How can I interpret this one? First of all, you have to use inner function here. What is this will do? This will do, leave it, last day. What this will do? Trunk of system date Q, it is giving 1st July 2022, right? 1st July 2022, I'm adding 75 days from it. First day of the quarter, July 1st. This one we have taken now, adding 75 days. So add 75 days. That means somewhere around in the September month, right? September month. In the September month, it will return. For that, I'm taking last day, September last day. That means last day of the quarter. Am I correct? This one 14th September. What is the last day of 14th September? September last date. September last date is nothing but Q last date. So there is directly you can find quarter last date, or this is another way, or you can find first day of next quarter -1 date, last day of the current quarter. So you may ask question, instead of 75, can I go with 85? Yes, 85 also same result. 30th September only it will return. Okay. If it is more than 90, then it will go with some other date. 90 days, up to 90 days quarter, right? That's what. Clear? First day of the quarter, last day of the quarter, first day of, find first and last day of the last quarter. So just check it this one. Okay, how we are finding. Then we have toChar function. See, all these date functions are very, very interesting. Just do it. Okay, I have given some questions also. You can practice it. toChar of this one. So toChar is nothing but type casting function. Okay, conversion logic. I'm converting numeric into character. Okay, in this format. So 737. If I'm making 79 here or 77 here, it will take 8 here, right? So 8 here, dollar symbol I'm adding. something currency, if I want to display in front end tool, so I will use this way, right? So comma also will be displayed like this. So what is this? This is 2 char of number. This is 2 char of date column. So I'm taking the date column into and converting date into character. System date, I'm converting this format. This format, MON means JUL, MM means 07, right? MM, and this one I'm adding 1 plus 1. After converting into number, I'm adding one date, 1 plus 1. This is number plus 1. This is adding one date and then I'm converting into a number, this character. Hours, minutes, seconds, 24 hours, okay. MISS, minutes, seconds. Then here, this is like hours, minutes, seconds, 24 hours, everything is, we are getting it. This is what, then we'll go with 24 hours, 12 hours, right? AM or PM. That's also, it will return 9 to PM. Like this, you can go for a lot of functions. Then we have absolute value. If you are getting any minus value, if I want to go for plus, convert into plus, you can go for ABS. ABS is nothing but absolute value. It will convert minus into plus. So plus also plus only. So this one decode function. What is the decode will do? Decode means I want to decode, city is the column name. I want to decode city from Madras to Chennai, Calcutta to Kolkata, Bombay to Mumbai, Odisha to Odisha. If these four only I have to convert. If any other city, you have to take city alone. If it is other cities are coming, Delhi, you have to make it like Delhi only. So how can I use decode? Decode of city. If it is Madras, always you have to use with pair. Madras, Chennai, Calcutta, then Kolkata. So Bombay, Mumbai. Then this is like default value. Default means whatever the city here we are getting, if these four is not available, then return the city itself. Then this is column alias name. Okay, what is this one? I'm taking subject ID, decode of subject ID. If it is 1, I'm returning with mathematics. 2, physics. 3, chemistry. Like this I'm making. Based on the subject ID, I'm making one more column called subject name. Even I can tell one more real-time use cases. In the source you are getting F, you have to convert like a female. M, you have to convert like male. U, unknown. Any other character is coming, you have to make it like others. See here, upper of gender. So even if it is coming like small f, we will convert this into female. Upper of gender, we are converting uppercase. That means if it is upper of F, then female. M, male. U, unknown. If any other character is coming, we are making like default values others. Transaction status. So transaction status is one column. If from the source I'm getting yes, I have to convert into success. F means failed, P means pending, A means approved, U means unknown. Then you can use like this only. Case statement. Case when. See here, case when. This is the syntax. Case, whenever you are making case, make it like end. Case when, condition 1, then statement. When, case 2, when, condition 2, then statement 2. When, condition 3, statement 3, and you can go with etc. Any number of conditions. Else statement. See here, I have to make, if employees are getting less than 5,000 as salary, I have to make it like low salary. One column, I have to make it like low salary. If salary is greater than or equal to 5,000, less than 15,000, I have to make it like average salary. And greater than or equal to 15,000, high salary. How can I make it? So this is the way. See here, this is the way. Case when salary, this is condition. When salary less than 5,000, then is the keyword. Then low salary. When condition, then else part, salary status. Whenever, remember, whenever we are making case, you have to use end. Though if you forget to make end, it will not execute. And also this is the column alias name, right? We know already column alias. See here, this is the way you can find. So can I find how many of them are getting high salary, how many of them are low salary, how many of them are average salary? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. We have to do count, right? Count. To count it, I'll go with this way. Whenever you are making aggregate function on case statement, use the case when and end here itself. Okay, here itself you end. Case when salary less than 5,000, then low salary, end it. If you have low salary, right? Then count it, how many of them. So low salary count, then count of average salary count, then count of this one. See here. See, low salary 49 employees are getting, average salary 53 employees are getting, high salary 5 employees are getting in this range. So this is very simple on making the count also. Okay, they will ask in interview this type of questions. You have to go with case statement along with aggregate function. So find out positive numbers and negative numbers, like this count how many positive numbers, how many negative numbers. This is the way you have to use it. Okay, and one more functions, one more statement I have given here. What is this will do? Case, look at here, case when salary less than 5,000, then I'm incrementing the salary by 30%. When salary they are getting greater than 5,000 and less than 15,000, I'm incrementing salary 20%. If already they are getting salary more than 15,000, 15,000 or more than, then I'm incrementing only 10%. For this, you can go for case statement, right? So two case statement. This case statement I have ended with here as salary status. One more case statement I have started. I have ended with new salary. So then you can go with this type of statement also. I have given all the statement. So please practice it. Okay, practice it here. See here, high salary, yes, I'm incrementing by 10% only. Average salary, I'm incrementing by 20%. Low salary, I'm incrementing by 30%. So even you can calculate it whether it is correct or not. Okay, so these are all the functions, and I have given finally one exercise. Find second Saturday of the given month. See here, second Saturday of the given month. So find it how? Next day function you know, trunc function you know, to date you know, -1 +1, everything you know, right? So check it inner function first. Second Saturday of the given month. Then instead of hard coding value, you can give system date. So here instead of to date, you can give sysdate. Second Saturday of the given month. Second Saturday of the given month is 9th July. This month 9th July. Okay. Next month sysdate plus I'm making 20 days. Next month second Saturday. 13th August is the second Saturday. So like this you can go with second Saturday of the next month, given month, all this. So just check the logic and you can able to do. These are all the functions. If you know all this function very clearly, any logic, business logic to build it very easy. Even if you are making some complex scenarios, that would be very easy. Okay.